This is a video presentation of the Mori Seiki SL-15. This does have a filter mist. This is a FANUC 10T control. It does have a parts catcher in the door. Programmable tailstock. And we're just going to go ahead and run it through its paces. Do a chart change again one more time, if you don't mind. Perfect. We'll go ahead and fire up the spindle. You're at 8, 1500, 2500, about 3000 right there. Have a chip conveyor. This machine does not have a chip conveyor. There's the serial number. Serial number is 739. This concludes the video presentation of the Mori Seiki SL-15.